guys to the channel. If you have been following us, welcome back again, and if this is your first time, also welcome back. Okay, so I want to be teaching a very simple run that is not common, you get, and I'll be straightforward, yeah, straight to the point. So the run, it sounds something like this. Okay, and how did I play that? It's simple. I play my 1, 2, 4 and 5, while I use my left hand to hit this note. I flatten 6, so together it goes. Okay, now let me go again. Let's say in key of C sharp. Okay. Okay. So my 1, 2, 4 and 5. On my left hand hit my flattened 6. That is going to be flattened 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the cycle continues. So if you are new to this, you have to practice it very slow. Very slow. Okay. So in another video probably we will do a tutorial on how to apply this to our worship. It is very simple. But then for now, keep practicing, or rather start practicing this. 1, 2, okay. That was a really clear example. Let's take another key, for example. Let's say D major. Okay, so my 1, 2, 4 and 5, and then my flattened 6. So sorry, let me go again. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video, and please subscribe, share and like. Help us to grow. Thank you. Peace.